Hello from the dungeon. We're back. I'm putting everything back together, but it's gonna take a while. Well, let me explain. So when we had to come down here and tear everything out for utilities, we had to do it quick. I think we had like 3 days to do it. And everything just kind of got shoved into the back room, and a lot of other things got shoved to one side of the room. Once we found out we had to replace carpet and do a lot of rebuilding and things, we had to take everything out of here, which took time. In the meantime, I'm noticing things need to be repaired. Like there was a lot of damage on these brick walls. So I did tuck pointing, scraped, a lot of skim work, and painted. So it looks a lot better down here. The carpet has been replaced. This is what I call the dunk tank over here. This is what's hiding the utilities. It's not done yet. I've got carpenters coming in to finish it. We've got an access hole for now for getting to the water cutoff. But eventually I think it's going to be a storage closet, but that might take a while. Trying to get everything back in here as quickly as we can. But then, you know, as I'm doing it, I'm thinking to myself, you know what? If I rush things, it's just going to be a bunch of crap back in the room. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to have some fun. So, for instance, we got new record shelves back here. We had to do that because the old record shelves weren't going to fit. I kind of had to reconfigure those shelves. We put them up last night. But today I reconfigured them and increased the volume of records I can have back there by quite a bit. But it took time. Now, hauling the records from the shop, where they are right now, to this new shelf is hard work because I'm doing it one-handed, and I gotta, you know, hold the records with my thumb. I don't have two hands, the advantage most people do. So my thumb is like really, really sore. I had to take a break on that. Moved on to some other things. For instance, I put an FBT Subline 12 under my desk. Don't ask me why, but I just thought, hey, you know what? I need a big subwoofer under this desk. It's barely on, but boy, it sounds cool. And the lights you see back here, this is DMX. This is not Master Slave. I've actually started DMXing all the lights down here. I have 3 zones done. I have 5 more zones I want to do, and it's going to take me time. And I'm doing it by myself because I don't expect anybody else to sit around while I stare at something for 2 hours and decide, what do I want to do with this? I will also be doing videos in the meantime. We're going to talk about this DMX thing I just did. Once it's completed, I got a cool idea on this. I think it's going to work out well. I think it's going to help for videos. It's going to help just for enjoyment down here. But yeah, I'm going to take my time and do this the way I want to do it. I've got a lot of toys, and I get them, and I'm like, hey, that's kind of cool. I really don't have time to mess with it, though. I put it aside. It's time to use these toys and play with some of this cool stuff that we have. I'll show you his pictures in progress as we go. In the meantime, here's a video for you. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.